In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Telegram. By the end, you'll be able to post a clean, interactive quiz in just a few clicks using Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer or head to Telegram Web in your browser. Either option works the same for what we're doing today. If you haven't updated Telegram in a while, it's a good idea to do that first, so the poll and quiz features are available and stable. Make sure you're logged in and connected to a reliable internet connection, so your quiz posts right away without delays. Next, navigate to the group or channel where you want to publish the quiz. In groups, most members can send polls, unless the admins have restricted it. In channels, only admins can post, so ensure you have the necessary permissions. If you're testing, you might want to use a private group so you can preview how everything looks before sharing it with a larger audience. Now, in the Message Compose area, click the paperclip or attachment icon. On Telegram Desktop, it's usually to the left of the message field, and on Telegram Web, it may appear as a small paperclip as well. From the menu that opens, select Poll. This is the gateway to both regular polls and quiz-style polls, and it will open a window where you can set up your content. In the poll window, type your quiz question at the top. Keep it clear and concise so participants can understand it at a glance. Below that, add your answer choices. Telegram supports multiple options, but try to keep them focused and unambiguous. Now turn on quiz mode. This option converts a regular poll into a quiz, allowing you to mark one correct answer. After switching it on, select which option is correct. If you see an explanation field, you can add a short note that appears after someone answers, perfect for clarifying why the correct choice is correct. Consider whether you want votes to be anonymous or visible, depending on the tone of your group. Short, precise questions and balanced options usually get the best participation. When everything looks right, click Create to post the quiz. Take a moment to double-check the question, the options, and the selected correct answer before you publish, because once it's live, you can't edit the text of the poll. After posting, watch the responses roll in, and use the results to spark discussion, share insights, or follow up with additional context. That's it. You've created a quiz in Telegram using the built-in poll tool and quiz mode. Thanks for watching, and happy quizzing!